when COVID hit, you couldn't do it anymore. And so we started to look at different ways, and we were forced to go into a virtual experience. In North America, we decided, why don't we start building the connections between the US and Canada new employees? It's easy. There's no language barriers. There's no time zone barriers. It just made sense. At the same time, we were able to create a virtual reality of the manufacturing building and the site. So we were able to still give kind of this virtual reality experience of the manufacturing that people would do anytime they wanted. What we saw in there is really diving more into the networking. What we wanted to do is connect the employees to each other, and then also allow them to talk about how do they personally connect to the purpose of the company and the values. And so we saw some really cool stuff coming out of there. There's this weird connection that started being built up across. And at the same time, we heard from the Canada employees that was a smaller area that they appreciated seeing and hearing from others across the continent or North America, that they felt like they had a better connection to the broader sense of the company.